up, Internet? It's Devon down here at Sherwood Dodge again. I got a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan behind me. It's got under 50,000 kilometers and it's $24,888 right now. That's a special pricing for the month of April. Come inside, let me show you the quick key features of this Grand Caravan. So you got your touchscreen, you got navigation, you got backup camera, you got all your standard options in this, half leather, half suede. You got your power doors, full stow and go, DVD. You got kids or you're hauling kids around, this is the perfect wagon for you. Let me show you the stow and go features. So if you've never operated a stow and go system before, it's super simple and Dodge makes it really easy for you to figure out. All the tabs are labeled. So you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. This all folds down flat if you're hauling any soccer balls, plywood, anything you need to haul. There's tons of space in this van to do so, okay? Putting it back up is just as simple. Put it back and you just go backwards instead. Oh, just as easy. Power tailgate. You guys got any questions or you want to schedule a test drive? Comment below or give us a call.